Corsair Air Guide technology is a new feature on fans like the SP RGB Elite, which channels concentrated airflow for improved cooling performance. Before we talk about how Air Guide fans make cooling more efficient in a build, let's review how a standard case fan works. A typical case fan is designed to pull cold air from outside of a chassis into a system where the air will make contact with heat sinks and other surfaces of your internal components to cool them off. The airflow path of a single case fan will look something like this. The air exhausting out of the fan immediately spreads out into the case, and while it has a general direction, it quickly dissipates the further away from the fan the air travels. Now let's take a look at the airflow from a fan equipped with Corsair Air Guide technology. In this example, the airflow is much more focused, reaching further into the case before dissipating. Corsair fans with Air Guide technology feature stator vanes built directly into the frame of the fan. These vanes help direct the air being pulled in by the fan blades, resulting in a much more focused stream of air for your system components compared to a typical case fan. When it comes to cooling in general, more fresh air equals better temperatures. The directed airflow of a fan equipped with Air Guide technology can be used to help cool your CPU better due to having higher static pressure. Just one example comparison here between SP Elite Air Guide fans versus our own SP Pro fans. We're able to see 2 to 3 degrees delta for the CPU. For additional references, we had a second test build that measured the temperature of the coolant in our H150i Elite Capellix liquid CPU cooler. As shown here, the SP RGB Elite fans are pulling ahead in thermal performance. You might think that most fans are created equal as long as they move air, but the way they move air through your system can make all the difference in terms of performance. And Corsair fans with Air Guide technology can help give you the edge you need to keep your temperatures low and your frame rates high. For more information about Corsair fans equipped with Air Guide technology, check us out at corsair.com.